So let's just talk about collections in Postman. So here we're on the web version of the Postman. So here we are inside this user workspace. Now you can see we have previously created this collection. So collections are basically used to help organize related API requests so that we can make them reusable, and also it facilitates automation through the test script, and also it can serve as a documentation for all the APIs. So to create one collection we have to click on this plus button, and here we can create one blank collection or we can create one from the templates also. So we're gonna create one blank collection. So first of all we can name our collection. So we're gonna call this demo collection, and also we have so many different options, like an example authorization. So we can set one common authorization for all the APIs under this collection. So here you can see we have this basic auth, OAuth. So we can choose from these authorizations, and also we can set pre-request script which will be executed before the API request. So here we have so many snippets that we can use, and also we can add test for all the APIs under this collection, and also we can set variables. So here we can have the variable, the initial value and the current value also, and then here you have 3 dots. So if we click on that, see we have so many different options also. So we can share our collection. So here you can see we can share our collection, and here is your shareable link, and also we can move this collection to other workspace, and also we can run all the API requests under this collection. So here if we click on run collection for this new collection, so from here we can run all of the API requests which is under this collection. Here we can run manually or we can schedule the run, and also we can configure the run. We can set the iterations, set the delay, we can select the file, and if we click on this run new collection, so you can see all of these API requests are running one after another. So here you can see we have the summary of all the requests, and also we have option to edit this. So here we can just directly add one new request, and then we can select the method and we can put the URL. So we can directly create and add one request under this collection, and also we can add folders. So under the collection we can create folders, and then we can add API request inside that folder. This way we can better organize related APIs under one collection. We can create mock collection, we can create a fork. That means we can create a copy of the collection and we can make changes to that. That way our original collection will not be affected. And also we can view the documentation, we can rename our collection, and also importantly we can export. So we can export our collection as a JSON file, and at the end we have this delete. So we can delete our collection. So we have to click on delete. So the collection along with all the API will be deleted, and then we can restore there also. So we have to open trash, and from here we can restore our collection back to our workspace. So you can see our demo collection is now back into our workspace. So this is the way we can create collection, and inside that we can organize related API requests. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.